Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to talk about the two latest updates from two different companies, that is from Wipro and TCS. First of all, for TCS we are going to talk about the details of for the postponed candidates. There are many postponed candidates who are waiting for the joining, so there is some information for them. And now the second topic that we are going to talk about is Wipro latest joining mail that this candidates have started receiving. So I will also show you the mails, that what the mails the candidates have got and what is the survey form that you need to fill. Okay, so make sure that you watch the video till complete end. But before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as onboarding related videos on the channel. You can see that I regularly upload all the latest onboarding updates of different companies. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any updates from the channel. So let's start our discussion. So the first update is from TCS. So TCS has postponed the candidates. So there were many candidates who had postponed their joinings of TCS, right, for like last 6 months back or 5 months back. So those candidates are less likely to get their joining in the months of Jan or Feb. Why? Because recently in the webinar it was informed to the candidates that only now the next joining will be given from the month of January, and those who are waiting, who had already postponed their joining previously, will get the joinings a little bit later, because as of now the company is now focusing on giving the joinings earlier to those candidates who has got the offer letter first time and they have not postponed yet. So this is the information for the postponed candidates. You can expect your joining from the March maybe. So the next joining of TCS is expected from the month of January for all those candidates who have not postponed. Okay, so if you haven't gotten your TCS offer letter yet and your next step portal is showing badged, then you should not consider yourself as rejected, because for those candidates who are rejected, there is a clear rejection made displayed on the next step portal. So just keep it as a hold kind of thing and just wait for your results. So even if it is showing badged, don't consider yourself as rejected. What you can do is you can start applying for the other drives. Keep the TCS on hold as of now. Maybe you get the update in future, then if you didn't have any offer till that time, you can join TCS at that time. But don't be totally dependent on TCS if your next step portal is showing as badged. Moving on to the next updates, which is for Wipro. So for Wipro, if you are also waiting for your joining letter, please fill the survey form and submit your query in the joining. So what survey form? Today many candidates have got a survey form and a mail which is related to joining. So if you have not got the mail, first of all, so what I will do is I will give the link to that survey form on my Telegram channel. You can go there and you can access the survey form from there. Okay, so the link to the form will be available on our Telegram channel. You can access it from there. The candidates are still getting this mail which is related to this joining mail. So if you haven't not got it yet, you might get it soon. Okay, so let us know if whether you are from phase 1, phase 2, turbo or WILP, if you have got this mail, so that it will be helpful for the other members of the channel. So this is the mail that I am talking about. So this is the subject line is final opportunity to join Wipro. Congratulations on being shortlisted at Wipro. We have observed that you have missed your onboarding. Please fill the survey to show your interest in joining Wipro, and candidates who are showing interest will be onboarded in the next onboarding planned in January and February. So make sure that you fill this form of joining related form, and I will provide you the link in the Telegram channel. We have observed that you missed your onboarding. Please fill the below survey to know your interest in joining Wipro, and candidates who are showing interest will be onboarded in the next onboarding planned in January and February. So this is the link that students or the candidates have got on their email, but I will provide you on the Telegram channel. So please fill it and fill your query. Maybe you will get your response. If you don't get your response for a long time, you can try raising the query again, but at least give it 3 to 4 days before raising the query again. Okay, so please note the survey is mandatory, failing which we will assume your disinterest in pursuing opportunity with Wipro. So looking forward to onboard you soon. So you can see that the Wipro is trying their best to give the onboardings in the month of January, February. So you can also expect your joinings in the upcoming months. With this, we have discussed the latest update for today. Make sure if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Please make sure to follow us on different social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. We regularly post updates like this on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and all the best for the upcoming joining.